How to fix Instagram upload problem. First thing guys, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now on this page you will find every single app you have in your mobile phone. So or what you want to do next is very simple and easy. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it like this exactly, and then click on the storage option, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go back, click on data usage, disable all these options and enable them back again. After that, or what you want to do now is just go into the wireless and networks on your mobile, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 30 seconds, and after that disable it. Now or what you want to do is restart your mobile phone. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.
pourquoi tu m'as dit que